All right, welcome to class. With us, we are still discussing differentiation involving the general method, which is the first method. And we have a question here. Before we go further, please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel or this page, please kindly do it to hit the plus sign or follow for more. And also tell this to your brothers, your sisters, your children, your colleagues, your neighbors around about this channel where we solve mathematics and other related calculations going further. So how do we work on this? The first thing we do on this is that we're going to expand this. So by expanding, we're expanding this, by expanding. So this to multiply this. We're using this x squared to multiply this and this. So x squared times this one now will give us raised to the power of 3. X here is 2, there's power 1 here. So in multiplication, when you are multiplying powers, when you are multiplying x, you pick one of the x and add the powers. So 2x times x, I'll write my 2, pick one of this x, pick one, and then add the power. That's what I've just done now. So coming to this one, minus x squared times 1 will give us x squared. I'm done with this one. Come to this one, multiplying this and this. So this and this one now will give us plus 2x. Now, plus times minus here will give us minus. 1 times 1 gives us 1. So I'm done with this. Now, what's the next thing we are going to do going further? Next thing we will do here is that from this point now, we are now going to differentiate. From here, we are differentiating. Well, I also told you that this x is this power 3 is for this x. This power 2 is for this x. This one is also having its own power. So what do you do now? You separate them. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I will separate these two like this into bracket. Differentiate this. Use this 3 to multiply this one now. I'm having 3x. Remove 1 from this one. That will give us 2. That's what I'm having. Minus this one. There is no number here. This is just number 1. So leave it. 2 times this one. I'm having 2x here. Remove 1 from this 2. Is just this x. Either you put 1 or you leave it like that. You are correct. So plus. This x is having 1. X here appear 1 time. So I will do it like this. This is 2. Then 2. This is 1 abi. So 1 times this 2x. Because this x appearing 1 time. 1 times this 2x now will give us 2x. So remove 1 from here, I'm going to have 0. That means 1 minus 1 will give you 0. If I remove 1 here, I'm having 0 here. So that's what I'm doing. So from this point now, this is a constant. We don't need this constant. Throw it away. We don't need the constant because it doesn't have x. So since it doesn't have x, in differentiation, constant becomes 0. So we don't need 0. Now coming to this point, now what do I do now? I'm going to multiply this one. I'm having 6x squared. Next up, minus, I'll have 2x. Next up, going further, I will have that this one becomes plus 2 alone. So how do I know that this is plus 2? Watch this. I don't know this is plus 2. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Look at this. This letter is raised to the power of 0. And this 0 is on top of the x alone, not the 2. So what does that mean? It means that this one becomes 1. So times 1. What is 2 times 1 now? Will give me 2. That's the 2 we are having here. And this becomes my answer. So please, this is how this is done. If this is the first time of solving this or coming across this channel, please kindly do well to hit the plus sign or follow for more. And also, please tell your children about this channel, this page. Tell them, tell your colleagues, your friends, your neighbors and everybody about this page where we solve mathematics and other related calculations. So this will be your practice work. Please do well to impute your answer in the comment section, please. Do well to impute your answer in the comment section. So first thing is first here, I'm having this value. This is it. Please kindly solve this too as a practice question and put your answer in the comment section. We will also do this together. See you in the other class. Bye-bye.